how to set a pin on your Oculus headset. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can set an unlock pattern on your Oculus Quest 2. So to do that, first of all, go to settings. After that, simply scroll down and then tap on the option security, which is right over here. Now once you've done that, you can see the option unlock pattern. You can create one unlock pattern to log into your headset. So simply tap on the option create. And then you will be taken to this page where you'll have to create a pattern using at least 4 dots. So now once you've done that, tap on the option continue. And then you'll have to re-enter your password in this page right over here. After that, tap on the option confirm. And then you will be taken to this page where all of these 3 options will be ticked. Now you can choose what you want your unlock pattern for. So if you want your unlock pattern for your headset, simply toggle this bar, and if you want your password to appear when using locked apps, you can simply toggle this option, and same for password autofill as well. And let's say you don't want password for locked apps, simply untoggle this bar. Now you'll have to draw your pattern. So once you've done that, this option will be untoggled. So that is basically how you set an unlock pattern for your Oculus headset. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.